So far they're all nice. All nice, not burnt to a crisp. So if you still got some left in your bag, you gotta do is just close up that bag. You gotta get a clamp. Oh, here's one. Alright, gotta get a clamp. I think it's all buttery. Yeah. Buttery fingers. Yeah. Can't really see it. Cause you can't really see butter that good. Sorry. I'm gonna put that with all that other stuff. And now, what I have to do is gotta go put on some Netflix, guys. Come on. Let's go put on some Netflix.
Oh, just hold it until I get home. So what should we do first, Harvey? Well, let's see. Oh, I've got this magazine that has a list of fun sleepover activities. Some people think these magazines are aimed at girls, but they're not. Activity 1. Paint each other's nails. Pete, do you have any nail polish? No. Okay, guess we're not doing that one.
It's gonna take a while. I'll get back to y'all after it happens.
What's that? It's lemon soda with the splash, my secret ingredient. Thanks, Harvey. This is fun, guys.
Alright, guys, now after you have on your Netflix, you need to turn it onto the TV. Or if yours works on the TV, then you're all good.
Cool.
Alright.
What? You always got to prank call someone at a sleepover.
Yeah.
Hello? Luigi's Pizza. What can I get you?
Pizza? Hey, Miriam, did you want pizza?
Yeah. That sounds kind of good, actually.
Hi, we'll take a large, do you guys have any specials right now?
I can only do the kids ones. Can't have to watch the kids ones. But you turn on the Netflix, then you gotta go get your bowl of popcorn. Come on. Let's go get the popcorn.